G'day everyone, my name's Joseph and today I'm going to be showing you how to model a site terrain on 3ds Max. So to start with, you're going to want to prepare an existing contour map, preferably made on AutoCAD or any other DWG software. So once you've had that prepared, click on File, Import, and then just import the DWG file into 3ds Max, and there you go. So this is the contour map that I have. Once that's ready, you're going to click on the file, click on create, and then search up under geometry, should be compound objects, and then under compound objects you're going to want to click on terrain, and that should sort of connect all the lines together and create one solid plane. So in order to view that, change it to default shading. So that's basically your terrain. But if you look at it closely, done edge faces, it's a bit jagged. Like all these edges, they don't seem to be as smooth as you want it to be. So in order to fix that, you're gonna wanna go to the modifier tab, and then under the modifier list you wanna search up retopology, and then click on compute. And once that's done, it should smoothen out the plane and have a smooth and more malleable and workable terrain for your project. So you could end there, but you're going to want to make the terrain into a solid geometry to add in voids or extrude certain areas. So in order to do that, I'm going to click on the terrain that you've made, and under the modifier list again, click on edit poly, and under selection, click on the polygon tool and just select the entire terrain. Then what you're going to want to do is, on your keyboard, just hold on to the shift button, and then click on the Z axis, and you're going to want to drag that all the way up. It doesn't have to be that tall, maybe somewhere there, and that should create a volume for your terrain. Then it's going to leave the bottom part hollow and open, but in order to fix that, you're going to want to select the entire terrain again. Under the modifier list, search up cap holes, and that should seal everything up into one solid geometry.